Hey guys, and welcome back to Tech Guilt. And in this video, I'm going to be covering the topic of buying and selling stocks, where to do it, how to do it, and how to navigate that field. So if you're interested in this video, stay tuned, and we'll be right back. So hey guys, and welcome back. As I mentioned, I'm going to be reviewing where to buy stocks, how to sell stocks, and how to navigate buying and selling stocks. But for this case, I'm going to be using the Robinhood platform. One of the other places where I go to buy and sell stocks at. The second place being cashapp. The reason why I prefer cashapp over Robinhood is because cashapp has what you call fractional shares, where you can buy, where you can buy a fraction of a share. So for instance, let's say you wanted to buy a share in, let me Google something really expensive, or something cheap like Amazon. And you necessarily don't have $2,389.82 as it's currently changing, then you can go on Robinhood and say put $10 aside on it, or you could buy $20 worth of it, and that's how you'll get your fraction of your share. And trust me, you will gain and lose value. As you can see, the market is constantly changing, so you will see days where you're making money and you're losing money. So that's how that works. So let me explain Robinhood. So as you can see right now, I have a total of $695 investing in the Robinhood market. And as you can see this chart up here, you can see where I'm actually gaining and losing money. And this is occurring because stocks are constantly changing. Their value is always going up and down, depending on the markets, depending on any related news about a product. So let's say Apple launches a new iPhone, then you're going to notice their stocks rise. Their stocks they're going to rise because people are going to be buying those iPhones. But let's say Tim Cook is involved in a scandal and it goes public, then you're going to see Apple stock dramatically falling. So that's why you see my stocks actually rising and falling. So right now, as you can see, I'm in the one-day view. And this is how my stocks, my portfolio, I should say, is performing throughout this one-day mark. Now let's go back in the 1 week, and you can see that it's actually been going up, and it's up 17.52%. And as you can see, it's dropped, and it's went up and went up and dropped and up. And we're going to go to 3-month mark, and as you can see, everything has just kind of went down. But that's just the nature of the stocks, where things are going to go up and down quite frequently. So as you can see here with Abercrombie and Fitch, I can change the view. As you can see, I'm looking at the percent change, and for right now, I've gained 0.22% off of my Abercrombie and Fitch stock. Here we have my other stocks, such as T-Mobile and other ones. Well, currently T-Mobile, I'm actually losing some money on. I'm going to just click on T-Mobile. As you can see, I have one share. I paid an average cost of $94. I'm losing $5.18, and T-Mobile, based on the value of it, is actually taking up 12.95% of my portfolio. So I just want to throw this out there, guys. If you're liking this video, please be sure to smash that like button and definitely hit that subscribe button while you're down there as well. I'm going to be providing you guys with the free material. It's actually a PDF book that I made that I'm selling on Amazon called Robinhood 101 for beginners and novice. If you guys want to support me, you can buy it there, or you can just get the free version by just leaving in the comments your email, and I'll definitely invite you guys to my Google Drive folder where you can access that free EPUB and a PDF version of it. So again, smash that like button and definitely smash that subscribe button. We're trying to reach that 1,000 subscriber mark. Please, guys, just help us get there. So I'm going to keep on going down. As you can see, I have other stocks, and currently I'm investing in cryptocurrency. Right now I'm investing in Ethereum Classic. Really, I'm not investing much in there, but as you can see, I have my average cost is $5.37, and right now I'm making $1.25. Total returns, I think I might sell that today. I'm going to let it run out. I'm just going to let it keep on going. So that's it, guys. Robinhood is pretty basic in the sense that you can actually go and just start searching stocks. You can hit the magnifying glass button and just kind of go down and see their news right now. They're telling you right now that Starbucks is currently down. But generally, I don't like to invest in money down stocks because I want to generally look at their performance over the 1 day, 1 month, 3 months, and definitely the 1 year, 5 year mark, just to have a better sense of where the company is going. Just like when you see Starbucks here, it had a pretty undecided beginnings. It was going up and down from 2015 all the way to 2018, where it kind of went above this June 9, 2017 mark around here. Then it started going up and up and up. And then it reached its peak in 2019 and kind of dropped down, really down. Well, it dropped about $10. Then it went up, and when coronavirus hit, it just dramatically dropped, guys. I mean, as you can see, it just tanked. But as it's falling, it's not going to just drop like throwing a rock off a bridge. It's actually going to bounce. I'm going to try to zoom in a little bit more. It's going to bounce, and it's going to come on down. It's going to bounce. It's going to do this period where it's bouncing and going back down, going back up and down. So that's that. As I said, if you guys want to see the news and figure out what stocks you want to get, you definitely come to this magnifying glass, and it's going to tell you here the top movers. As you can see, we have Chesapeake Energy. We got a couple other ones over here. And so if you're ever interested in one of those, you can just click it. But I definitely strongly recommend looking at the history of it, the timeline per se, and seeing how the stock has been performing. As you can see for this one, it was I'm just going to make a fictitious average. It was around $13. But when the coronavirus hit, it's now around $6. But generally, I don't buy based on where it was and where it is, unless it's like a big established company like Royal Caribbean, where I will take that investment and buy it on its lows, and I'll show you that just now. So for this company, it's basically too high for me. When I go back to the 3-month view, I can see that these are its peaks, and right now it's currently at its peak, so I'm definitely not going to buy it right now, especially since it's an unknown stock. I'm just not really going to take that chance. But going back to Royal Caribbean, I'm going to look at it. I'm going to go to the 1 year mark, and I'm going to see, wow, this lowest point, it was at $100, $101. And during the coronavirus, it dropped all the way down to $22, and it was going and going. Right now, it's at a stable point of around 30. It's around the 30 mark. So if you're in for that long-term investment and you do kind of want to ride the wave back up, Royal Caribbean would definitely be a good move. So that's basically that about Robinhood. It's pretty straightforward, cut clean, but definitely I would recommend cashapp. And here's why I would recommend cashapp. Again, it's for the fractional shares. Also, guys, if you're watching this video to this point, please be sure to smash that like button and definitely subscribe. We're trying to reach that 1,000 mark. Also, I will be providing you with free material. Just leave your email address in the comments down below, and I'll definitely be inviting you to our Google Drive, where you can access my free PDF book that I made, which is also on Amazon, called Robinhood 101 for Beginners and Novice. So back to cashapp. As you can see right now here in cashapp, I'm currently investing. My portfolio investment is a total of $92. I'm losing $3.85. And the reason why I'd prefer, I'm just going to sell this one while we're at it, sell all. The reason why I prefer cashapp is because you can buy those fractional shares. I also like it because it's so. Cashapp makes it so easy so that when you do click on this squiggly line over here, you can actually go down and start seeing stocks that you've never seen before. For example, Robinhood will not show you all these apps like MGM Resort. Let's see, your Cloudflare. Some of these you definitely just won't see on Robinhood, and cashapp just like presents it right in your face over here. So when you do start up with cashapp, you're not going to see the following. These are just my following tabs for just curiosity's sake. All you're going to see is your investments, which is going to be $0. You're not going to have a chart. You're not going to have any data. You're just basically going to see that, and you're going to see the traded monthly, the most traded monthly, As you can see, here are some other ones. I generally like to buy the ones that are going down. I don't necessarily want to buy the ones going up. As the old saying says, buy low, sell high. Also, if you guys are interested in signing up for Robinhood, which I definitely do recommend, I'm going to be shooting my referral link down below. Once you sign up, you and I both get one free stock. It's definitely a good head start. So I definitely recommend doing that. I don't think Cash App has any referrals to my knowledge. Wait, yep, I think it does. So if you guys do sign up for Cash App, I think you and I both get $5. So I'll definitely be leaving my referral link to that below. And to those of you, again, who are just joining the video, please be sure to hit that like button if you're watching it, and definitely smash that subscribe button. We're trying to reach that 1,000 subscriber mark. So I'm going back. So the most traded monthly, these are the ones I'm going to be looking at, just so that I can come back up at a profit. As you see here, we have JP Morgan Chase for the all. You can see that they've been going up, which is a good indication. For the 1 year, they have actually been going up. When Corona struck, it actually kind of dropped. And when it dropped, it reached its lowest of $84, and then it just kind of bounced back up and bounced back down. So JP Morgan is definitely one I will be investing in right now. I have made some money off of JP Morgan already, considering I do not even have a JP Morgan account. But definitely. So if you guys like this video, please be sure to subscribe, smash that like button. I was just showing you guys a place where you can buy and sell stocks during this whole coronavirus situation, so you actually can make a profit. For those of you who are at home or out of a job, I definitely do recommend signing up for these stock platforms. Again, being Cash App and Robinhood. So again, guys, if you like this video, please be sure to like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below. And we'll see you next time. If you have any further questions you want me to go more further in depth explaining the Cash App or Robinhood app, please be sure to let me know down in the comment below. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
I don't know nobody that can do it like this. I've been on the ground like this, like this, like this. Do you like this? Don't nobody do you like this, like this, like this. This is my shit. You be like, this about as good as it gets. Do it like this. Do it like, do it like, do it like this.